Hey everyone! Is your iPhone stuck with the cloud activation lock links or locked to owners? How do you fix it at your home? Without doing a jailbreaks with the help of PC or laptops, we will see live step-by-step real demonstrations. Right now, this device came at my shop, especially for fixation of this cloud activation lock links. Now, we will try to fix it as soon as possible. So how do you do that without doing a jailbreaks with the help of PC or laptops, without knowing say switch line, the polarity and the password? The customer told me that actually he kept this device from the last 4 5 months at his homes and now he can. So let's see the other trying. So firstly we will access by using iTunes. If it is a sync that cloud activations means of course this is linked to an owner. Yes, maybe due to it can be happens due to a stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted. Sometimes when you have the purchase a second-hand device or previous owner who erase everything, so then it will stack on their shore. Sometimes when we have attempted multiple times, screen wrong passcode, time screen wrong passcode, I device mobile management wrong passcodes, and then it will it will stack on this situation. So for this kind of the situation, just we will address via the common method that we will open a blob server. Very easily this can be fixed, guys. And don't panic, but you will have to step. Yes, you will have to proceed step by step with actual time execution. Sure. Now right now that we can see here, just we will click on a read from the device and now see it has a read. Just we will select the include the betas, we will select the specify API announce, we will go for a read. So when we will hit, then multiple times and this can be rebooted, no problem at all. So just we will say till it's not going to fetch the proper all the data. The software especially that will reaccumulate all the data on this device, particular from the cloud database and Apple database. So just to see now it's restarting. So how easily it's effectively working. So take any especially I mean laptops, PC, computers, of course, desktop, and go with especially similar study and see how easily this can be, of course, fix it. So now 3 tool automatically open, so fine, so no problem at all. We will click on this here, let it connect. So just we will go for after restarting, we will select the language, we will go for here, we will go for now it is once again trying to the access. So here we will come the crash analysis, and if we go inside, see a lot of the data has been accumulated. So try to delete, and this all file has been deleted quickly. So whatever data that we had accumulated here by using the blob saver that I had cleared. Now what we will do, guys, we will come the real-time logs. We will go for clear all the Safari browser. So now see it is not a fetching, means there is no space line Safari browser history data, guys. Maybe especially, so let it connect very well because it has been maybe disconnected. So just of course check it out in that way it has disconnected. So use a proper data cable, guys, otherwise of course you will have the problem. Now see it has been connected. So because of sometimes the data cable also it will give you error. So here will come the real-time logs, and now see it has started to fetch. So don't mistake these kind of the errors, guys, and don't skip also, because this kind of the error, how do you address that? At least 20 times so you will have to clear. So keep it at least 20 times to the clear. Now we will back and we will go for it. So here we can see keep clearing, guys, at least 20 times, and then make it pass to the clear. So recent ones we have clear it all. Now what we will do, this is the last tool that we will have to approach, and that is a special here imaging PC. So one is the first one blob saver, second is a special M3 tool, and this is the last one. Sorry, this is not a model that maybe especially previous that I unlocked. So this is a just let me clear. Now that we can see here, yes, we are trying to append to clear files. Now this is a device that we would like to clear, guys, here. So just we will go for 10 series, that is Here just we will try to clear, so keep clearing guys. At least 20 times we will have to clear. We will refresh so that fresh data would be attracted to the clear. Keep clearing. Now see. Yes, it is verifying that this is linked to an owner's files, no problem at all. So keep clearing. Now see how's late going to be clear. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fine, so now see it is verifying, so guys. Keep clearing, keep clearing. So at least 20 times when you will clear. Now see is accumulating our data, so leave it. Just we will come in the 3U tool, just hit this one, REC more, and the keep clearing. So this see it's verifying again and again, maybe especially. So just to keep clearing guys. So almost see white screen is coming. So we will close these all tools. Now see, now that we have cleared, what we will do, we will come the smart flash options and we will go for refresh. So one iOS that has been recommended here, either you can download or import. So we will prefer to import. So we had already downloaded because the total size is a 6 GB. So just we will select the quick flash mode. We will select the customs, this one. You can directly download from here also, but we will import it. So just should be capped on, especially I think so, on from now here, this one see IPSW, that is especially we will go with these ones, and this is a similar version that I had elected. Without making delay, just we will select here. Don't select this fix a battery also during the flash, and don't go for the backups and just without having anything. So just click on it. Now see it has started to execute these ones. Now don't do extra anything, so guys keep on the calm, so relax and see here what's going to happen further. Because yes, here while the flashing process, your device can restart multiple times. So please don't unplug the device, don't disconnect the device, and use a proper data cable. So because yes, data cable if it will interrupt, then it will stack on a especially the Apple logo, and you will have a problem that yes, you won't be able to continue this procedure, because whole procedure we will have to repeat if it stack on a cloud activation. So that's why I'm saying, oh guys, yeah. Now it's writing the system file, and here see it has initiated to the computer especially. So here select close iTunes. So when we will select a close iTunes, so now see we can hear how easily this has been started to. Now that we can see guys here, it has started to initiate. This firmware not only can be downloaded from, especially via this driver 3U2. Yes, this can be downloaded from its official website also, that on Apple. Yes, on also especially www.3u.com, and this can be also downloaded from ipsw.beta.com, ipsw.com, and ipsw.me.com. Yes, we can download and upon directly we will install. Yes, we will import it, custom setups by a custom importation, and then of course we will go with the similar strategy. Howsly it will be a fix. Yes, don't skip ahead. Why am the telling you? Because maybe especially suddenly an error comes, and how do you fix it? Yes, particular issues that I will demonstrate you how do you troubleshoot of it. Almost a 9 minute we spent. Scarcely we will take a 5 to 10 minute more, and then this will be a quickly fix without touching on this device, of course, and without having the internet connection. Of course, we will generate a new Apple ID on it. Of course, we can go there inside of this device, and don't worry, we will have to deliver immediately as FaceTime the customer this device. So now that we can see it, we have to cross the 32%, means we will have to accept that it has been accepted in the cloud database and Apple database. 2-3 precautions we need here, guys. Yes, while processing these all things, there should be no SIM card inside on your device. Simultaneously also data cable should be good quality. Third one, while the processing this procedure, your device can restart multiple times, so please don't unplug, don't disconnect. Where you will have to execute, there shouldn't be any movement of your PC or device. And fifth one, that's very crucial, that is internet connection should be connected always in your PC while you're doing these all things, right? Because totally it's happening or initiating to the installs with new firmware that is, yes, in the permission of or after having the permission of cloud database and Apple database. That's why, guys. And one thing also that after, yes, fixing the device, don't forget to join this channel spontaneously also. Drop the feedbacks in the comment box. If further any, especially you want, especially I'm required from us. Now, yeah, so we have to cross the 46%, let it cross 50, then we will deselect the close iTunes options. Because why I have the close, in a midst of ads, iTunes will open again and again when this device will be rebooted, then that's why actually it will not interrupt in a midst of ads or while the processing. So that's why actually I selected. Now see, 50% is almost we have completed, so we are waiting for SPSLAM the results now. Do a similar strategy, guys, step by steps. Yes, I hope that you will have no any confusions and the my communication is not beyond of you. I hope so that if you will have so then of course directly drop the query in the comment box or give me the screenshot if you are unable to, especially then we will address it together step by steps. You should have also second internet connection because suddenly any internet connection issues comes or disconnection problem comes in the future, that you can immediately connect to that. Yes, and this will be a continue sending these all installations. So that's why I'm saying, you guys, almost 12-13 minutes completed, guys, and still having, see, not the cross more than 50%. Maybe see, this can be seen in a jumping order sometimes, in the ascending order, sometimes of course in descending order. So don't worry. Just we will deselect this one and then we will go for it. So now that we can see here, this here is going descending order. Sometimes this can be seen in a descending order also. Sometimes this can be seen in the jumping order, means 56% to 100%, 90%, of course. So don't worry, don't be special, I mean, confused and panics. Yes, now see it's jumping, so that's what I'm saying, you guys here. All the driver and the tools, of course, you can download from its official website. That is absolutely free. Through tool, as we know that it's absolutely free. Yes, spontaneously. iTunes, that is also absolutely free. And the third tool is that is Imaging PC. It's also trial version is applicable, and because this feature is a free for use, because we are trying to clear the older data that we have accumulated, not we are going to have a data on it or retain the data. So that is also free, and the blob saver total size is scarcely, I mean, 50 MB less than. You can also download it, and it is absolutely free, guys. So almost we have the cross special, I mean, 72%. We are waiting for, yes, further step, that is 2-3 step elements on exact time. So we will have to execute, and we will see that now. See here, in a jumping order, it has the scenes on that, and directly it has given a right sign that it has been completed. So now we are waiting for batch activations. This is a feature that has been provided by 3U tool, as we know that is used to skip the setting of the region, language, face ID, touch ID, of course Apple ID, password manager, uh, time screen passcode, manage a password. These all will be escaped, especially within one click. So since highlighted within 10 seconds, we will have to execute on these ones and execute it. So now it has initiated there. Also, we had initiated to escape. So now that we are waiting ahead, the one thing also that if any internet connection issues comes or sometimes if activating would be a succeed and the escaping part will not be a succeed. Sometimes escaping part will be succeed, activating part will not be a succeed. So if the vice versa happens, then don't worry, immediately we will change the internet connection and the start button will be highlighted. So quickly we will hit this one and this will be immediately affected, guys. So it will take scarcely 1 to 2 minutes, that's all. In the rarest of rare case, yes, if it is not going to happen and when I raise a continue, then we'll change the internet connections according to the customization of the precise location. So suppose here the precise location of PC, yes, we are in a Switzerland, Hong Kong, and this phone belongs to Europe. So what will happen, guys, here? We will have to customize it. Yes, Europe, Switzerland. Customization of the precise location of your PC show that easily cells area would be masked and there will be no network area. There will be no an issue in the cloud data base to have the good DNS configuration, guys. So that's why I'm saying, according to the cells area of iPhones, we will have to customize the precise location of the special laptops. And absent this, and this would be easily. But blob server was successfully done, so now see the V cam directly on there. Now we will select this both as succeed. So we will try to unbind the Apple ID. If the any Apple ID that is bind with especially iPhones, and what asking that enter the Apple ID and password, that's what I used to set up this device. Now that we can, yes, deactivate this. So now it has been unbinded. Now see, it's asking some activations require and etc. Nothing is required, guys. Let's try to access the data by using iTunes. That's all. And we are on a hello screen. Now see, we are trying to access the data and we can see here. Yes, let it access the data and then we will see what's going to happen. Now see, gone. So that's why I'm saying, this iTunes will give you good configuration in the cloud database that there's no data now. So everything has gone. See, there's nothing error. If they go inside, it's asking that network. Yes, network provider setting updates. Not now. Just we will go the inside of it. Just we will click on here, connect to the internet or the sign it to your device. Means if there is no internet connection, how it has been completely unlocked. If they go SP Slime general, no. Screen passcode face ID, we would like to check it out. So see, everything is disabled. So now insert the SIM card and you can enjoy with your local area network on this device. We will select this virtual location and we will go for restore the true location with your local area network SIM card. So now say it has been done, and this is a permanent solution, guys. Very easily, very smartly, of course, you can fix it at your home, not required to go at any shops. No one shopkeeper can tell you this kind of their status. Why I'm telling the permanent solution, this is not with the help of jailbreak that we are using or chargeable tools. And because of here, see, we can see here that directly it will come on. See here, yes, waiting for the activation. It is saying no problem at all. When you will connect with the internet connections, yes, and then we will create a new Apple ID. Then of course, and this will be a fixed now. So this is permanent solution. Now all the things has a nuance, especially the first thing, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Friend. We'll be back with a step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join this channel for the further new tags, how to use it, and exactly what's new. We'll work through all that. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.